Hey, I thought I would do a little public service announcement talking about saving Africanized bees in Arizona, because it's something lots of us beekeepers do, and I've been hearing a lot of false information on people's Facebook groups with people telling them that you can't save Africanized bees, or you can't get them out of a building safely, or they're just going to kill everybody or sting everybody. And some people even said they don't make honey, which is silly because Africanized bees are just Apis mellifera honeybees that are a hybrid of European and African bees, which are still all Apis mellifera. But anyway, they all make honey. They're all needed for pollinating our world and for giving us all the food that we need. And anyway, on and on. I just wanted to show you one of the trap outs I'm doing, and it does take a long time sometimes, but I'm sitting right next to these bees here, probably Africanized because most of the wild bees in Arizona are. And I just want to show you that this is in a block wall, and they will be removed from there safely, and they will get a new queen, and they will become docile, and this colony is going to be saved. So I want everyone to know that you can get bees out of a wall. You can get them out of your roof. You can get them out of all sorts of things. And it sometimes takes time, sometimes it doesn't. But they can be saved, and they should be saved. And you should call a beekeeper instead of an exterminator, because we know how to deal with these, and lots of exterminators don't. And I praise those who do call beekeepers, the exterminators who know that bees should be saved. And anyway, that's my rant, and here's the bees that are going to be placed in this hive eventually. It's sometimes you just have to work and figure out what the solution is, which I will. And so if you guys have bee problems, please call a beekeeper. Go on the Arizona Backyard Beekeepers Facebook group, and we will get you in touch with a beekeeper who can help you. And it usually is not free, let me say, because it's a lot of work and it's worthwhile work. So please call a beekeeper and pay a beekeeper and feel good about what you're doing. So thanks for listening to me, and have a wonderful day.